Well, good morning. Meteorologist Nick Johnston coming to you live on Facebook and YouTube from the New School Center for Media in Albany. Happy Hump Day to everybody. Hope you got a chance to enjoy yesterday, another absolutely beautiful afternoon. We did eventually cloud up, though, and now we're seeing the result of that approaching storm system, waking up with some showers that moved in late last night and have been with us through much of the overnight hours. Good morning, Lisa. Mary Ilario. Virginia. Good morning, Karen. Good morning. Got an announcement coming up a little bit later on about a new part-time position that I have accepted. Should be fun. I'll have the details on that coming up after the broadcast here this morning, so you can either stick around for that or just check back a little bit later on if that is something of interest. Meanwhile, today's weather is sponsored, as always, by AZ Builders and Remodelers. Again, you can check them out on Facebook, where I've got a testimonial from a happy customer and a few photos of previous work done by these talented individuals. All right, moving along, here's the weather forecast for today. Ann Rock, good morning. Kathy Mitchell, Laura Barnes, and Pat Jones, good morning. All right, temperatures this morning start off mild under mostly cloudy skies. It is rain all across the area. It's just rain showers. We're not worried about any mix or ice, something that we were worried about last week. That is no longer the case. And there is no sign of any more ice or mix in the 7-day forecast. In fact, heading into the first week of May, there's a chance we could hit 80 degrees for the first time this year. Just saying. All right, but let's talk more about today. Temperatures today. In the 50s, that is a bit cooler than yesterday, where parts of the region, yes, hit 70 yesterday. Beautiful day. Well, today we're going to be staying a little cooler, below normal, but really not far below normal. Normal right now is in the low 60s, and we look to get to about 58 degrees. Winds don't look to be a big issue. They'll be staying at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. The direction of the winds will be variable as we head through the day today, but the winds are expected to stay relatively light. Now, it will not be raining necessarily all day, but showers, periods of moderate rain will remain a good bet. It's raining across much of the region right now, and at least off and on, those showers will likely stay with us into the afternoon, evening, and even a few leftover showers overnight and into tomorrow morning before we do start to clear out and get a few breaks of sunshine, I think, for tomorrow afternoon. Okay. That's the forecast for today. Robin, Chris, good morning, Nick. I'm not overjoyed with today's weather. What's up? Question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. Well, come on. These are the showers that bring May flowers. Got to get them. Got to get them. And we did get a stretch of about 4 days in a row there. Some pretty sweet weather. We've got more nice days ahead. And again, if you were watching at the top of this broadcast, you know that I mentioned that next week we could hit 80. Now, what's normal for this time of the year is 63 degrees. We'll stay a little bit below that, maybe 5 degrees or so below average. Not bad, though. 41, the normal low. We're starting above that this morning with mild temperatures in the upper 40s for many. Record high of 89 degrees was set back in 2009. Record low of 23 set back in 1965. Now, we did get just a little bit of rain just before midnight. Most of the showers have now developed in the early morning hours. We've got 0.02 of an inch, though, registered for yesterday, bringing our total for the month up to 2.23 inches. That is still a bit above normal, about a quarter inch above the curve in terms of liquid so far for the year. Record rainfall for today's date, 1.75 inches. That's set back in 1945. Record snowfall, 0.3, 0.3 of an inch. That's set all the way back in 1928. All right, let's take a look outside on this damp and gloomy morning across the area. Still some neat webcam images to show you. But yes, it's definitely on the damp and gloomy side. This is what it looks like. Let me refresh the page here from the Cohoes Falls. Yeah, they're up and running high, but there is no flooding concern right now across the region. Sharon Andrews, great day to go shopping and spend some Benjamins. Yeah, good call, Sharon. There you go. Or catch up on, catch a good movie, catch up on some TV. Stephen Betzinger. Good morning, sir. Good morning to you. Jennifer D. Piazza Zinzao. Hope I got that right, Jennifer. Good morning. All right, let me show you some other webcams right now. We've got, this is Cobleskill. It's possible you could also encounter a little bit of fog in some spots. Here's what it looks like right now at Hessville, New York. The lighthouse. All the more appropriate on a morning like this. Donna Allen, good morning. Kathy McDermott, good morning. All right, this is what it looks like from Saratoga Lake. Yeah, fairly calm. Just a couple of light ripples there. Winds are relatively light. This is what it looks like up at Long Lake, New York. Gloomy morning here and gloomy across most of the region. This is Long Lake from above, where, yeah, it is still frozen out there in spots. There is still snowpack in some places. Plattekill showing that off. Yuck. Snow and mud and fog. Yeah, that's one of those kind of mornings. That snowpack, though, continues to slowly shrink away. All right, this is what it looks like up at Lake Placid this morning. Joan Haviland, good morning. Robert Rhodes, golf league today. Really? Yay. That'll be a challenge, but there should be no hazards to worry about. All right, here's what it looks like from the top of Whiteface Mountain, where, yes, even in the mountain peaks, those are raindrops. No ice, no snow, no mix. Just kind of a wet and cloudy morning. That's all. Relatively mild, though, is the takeaway here. Frank Apple. Thank you, Nick. Well, thank you, Frank, for tuning in. Allison Gibson, good morning. All right, here's what it looks like in North Adams right now. Yep, it's rained here as well. You can tell it's a wet tarmac there at the airport. North Adams, Mass. And finally, this is Manchester, Vermont. Same kind of picture. A bit damp and gloomy. So for more on that, let me show you the radar right now where, yes, showers are fairly widespread. Now, there are some breaks in the action, and that's what I mean when I say, yeah, it's not going to be necessarily raining nonstop. There will be some breaks in the showers, but overall, it's probably going to be raining, I think, more often than not as we head through the day today. And those showers will be possible now at lunchtime and into the afternoon and even evening hours as we continue to head through the day. Mostly light to moderate rain. There might be a little bit of heavy rain in the mix, but it's not expected to generally be downpours. Those yellow areas right now, heading towards Saratoga Springs, indicating some of the more moderate rain right now. You can tell, yeah, near Saratoga Springs. If it hasn't yet already, it is about to pick up a little bit, the rainfall rate moving through there, some more moderate rain. Meanwhile, getting some breaks. They won't last, but there are a few dry slots right now. Moving across parts of the Hudson Valley. Albany looks like it's getting just a little bit of a break, though there are some nearby showers, and there's a lot more coming. All right. Let's take a look at the temperature this morning, which, as I said, is mild, and it is mild everywhere. All the way into the Adirondacks, it's 40s this morning, even northern Herkimer and Hamilton County, 43, 48 degrees, 46 there. Heading into the Adirondacks, northern Adirondacks even, seeing mild temperatures, and that's why it is all rain. Got some mid to upper 40s in the Green Mountain State there. 42, a little cooler there out of Bennington County, still in the 40s though. Same thing from the Berkshires where it's 41, 43, 47 as you start to get into Connecticut, and even some 50s as you start to head a little bit further south. And yeah, We are expecting our temperatures to rise into the 50s today, mid to upper 50s, in fact. The expected high temperature, and again, winds are not expected to be bad, so it should still feel relatively mild, albeit a less than beautiful day. It's really not going to feel that bad if you do have to spend some time outdoors. Just make sure you've got a raincoat or an umbrella. Kathleen Schwinghammer. Ooh, hope I got that right. I love spring rains. Yeah, I'll say this, Kathleen. It was good sleeping weather last night with the rain hitting the rooftop. Carol Engel, good morning. All right, let me show you the watches and warnings map where, oh, this is nice. Yeah, there's not much to worry about. Now, the only flood watch is for northern New Hampshire. Well, outside of the viewing area, there's not even so much as a hazardous weather statement for most of us. So again, that rain looks to be moderate at times. Again, we could see overall, including what we've already got, maybe a 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of rain. Significant, but it's not expected to cause any big concerns with flooding. Rivers will definitely continue to run high across our area. And, poor drainage areas may see some standing water, but it's really not expected to be that bad, as evidenced by the lack of watches, warnings, and advisories. All right, let me show you the storm system responsible here. Move the map over just a little bit here. There we go. Yeah, it's actually two systems kind of coming together that's bringing us these widespread showers. Right now, there's an area of low pressure tracking to our south, and there's this cold front approaching from the west, also with a little bit of low pressure, and that's why we have these widespread showers. Most of the state of New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, good portion of the Northeast seeing these showers. Again, we need that rain to bring on the flowers, which, hey, I've already seen some people posting photos of some flowers coming up in their backyards. I know some places, though, still have snowpack. I have a few flowers coming up in my backyard as well. Not many, not yet. They'll get there. And these showers and milder temperatures like we saw yesterday will definitely help that happen. Okay. Let me get back to the forecast here and show you when we're going to be getting back to some sunshine. Susan Boyce, good morning. You also have a good day. Joan Spencer, good morning. Dottie Brown, good morning. 58 today, cloudy, moderate rain likely, at least off and on. Again, there will be some breaks. It will not likely rain all day nonstop, but the showers will remain possible into tonight. We're still likely to be seeing at least a few showers overnight. 46, once again, we stay mild. And tomorrow, it's going to be a bit on the breezy side. If not when you're waking up, then certainly by lunchtime, the winds will have picked up. We're talking 10 to 20, gusting to 30 miles per hour for tomorrow. Temperatures still not bad. It's looking like the mid to upper 50s once again, which is just a little bit below normal. Chance for a few showers in the morning tomorrow, but by the afternoon, especially the mid to later afternoon tomorrow, I think we'll actually start clearing out the clouds and get some breaks of sunshine. It's still going to be breezy, though, but overall, not a terrible day. And again, we should wrap up those showers relatively early for tomorrow and start clearing out. Okay, that's what Thursday looks like. Let me show you Friday and into the weekend, where not bad. Am I right? Friday, 64 degrees. We'll probably start Friday with sunshine and then start to cloud up during the afternoon with a few isolated showers possible in the second half of Friday. Isolated shower chance there, a little milder though. Low to mid 60s possible for Friday. Not bad. Winds won't be bad either. Southwest 5 to 15 miles per hour. Okay. Saturday, it does look like we'll see a bit of cloud cover with some scattered showers possible. Certainly not a washout for Saturday, though. They'll be scattered. I think we'll see less rain, certainly, on Saturday than what we see today. Today looking like probably the wettest day of the week. Saturday, though, scattered showers will be a good bet. Now, Sunday will be cooler, and we're back to breezy conditions. 54, still in the 50s, no 40s. We're still in the 50s for Sunday, but 54 with a northwest wind, 10 to 20, gusting to 30. definitely going to be a bit on the cooler side, but we do get back to nice and sunny skies. Then we rebound quickly. Monday, beautiful. 64 degrees with sun, relatively light winds. Check out Tuesday. 74 degrees. That is May 1st, the first day of May. And it looks appropriately warm. That's actually well above normal. Remember, normal's only in the low to mid 60s by then. We look to be about 10 degrees above average for the first day of May. And if that's not warm enough for you, the long-range forecast suggests that by Wednesday, and maybe again on Thursday, we could be flirting with 80. Whew! Time for me to start breaking out the box fans and tune up my air conditioner. But yeah, we're finally starting to warm up. Look at that. As we head into the first week of May, that's May 1st, May 2nd, and 3rd, looking right now to be a lot warmer than what we have seen for most of the month of April. May looks to be starting on a totally different note. So it does look like we're giving some validity to those who have been saying this might be a season where we just kind of skip spring. We come right out of winter. We get maybe, this week, we get 1 week of spring. And then we jump right into more summery type conditions. So break out the shorts, T-shirts, and flip-flops. That's where we're headed. All right. Hey, thank you, everybody, for joining me here on Facebook Live this morning. Ashley Hale, she's ready. I'm sure you're not alone, Ashley. Judy Guthrie, love the forecast. And John Allen, good morning. All right. Hey, thanks for joining me on Facebook Live this morning. Hope your work week is going well. Happy hump day to everybody. Yeah, today's going to be a bit on the gloomy side, but it shouldn't be any big problems. And the weather does look to get better from here. Hey, look back if you're interested for that update on the part-time employment I have accepted.